How to create a dot plot for overrepresentation analysis in Excel. Create chart from selection. Search for dot plot. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Dot plot is created successfully. Dot plot data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a dot plot. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 3 columns of numerical data to create a dot plot. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we created a dot plot with 4 data columns as follows. 1 column containing categorical data. 3 columns containing numerical data. Important: dot plot will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the right. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pin to edit the properties, then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. You can add chart footer. Click on the Legend Properties pin to change the color of the box. Change the color of all boxes. Click on the Axis Left Properties pin to edit the properties. Click on the Grid Lines section. You can hide or show grid lines. Click on the Axis Bottom Properties pin to edit the properties. Click on the Grid Lines section. You can hide or show grid lines. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.